Hey guys, back another YouTube video. Today it's going to be an unboxing video. Now I got some packages, one from my father and one from my good friend John, who I did a trade with. And I'm going to unbox the one from my friend John first. He and I did a trade. In exchange, I sent him a brand new Buck Light in exchange for this one that he had. So, and in the previous video, y'all voted for the little cleaver. Let's go ahead and use it. Does the job. Yep, that's the original pouch. Nice. Go make sure I catch the date correct. This is a 1993 Buck Light. Beautiful condition for the age. And it's got the original knife sheath with it. Very much worth the trade. Thank you very much, John. And of course, a buck for a buck is the best way to do it. Now, it's going to need some repolishing. It's going to need to be cleaned up a little bit, but I can do that. So thank you very much, John. That's nice. And I'm pretty sure by this video is uploaded, you will already have that knife, so I hope you enjoy it too. Next is a package from my dad that he ordered. He said these items are for me to clean up and sell, so let's see what they are. Definitely a bunch of Barlows. Okay, so we got a lot of Barlows. Awesome. Let's see what this one is. This is a no name. Yes, a cheap Pakistan Barlow. That one probably ain't worth anything. Next, this is a Imperial Barlow. That'll clean up real nice. Next is Providence Cutco Rhode Island Barlow. I like that one. Next, this one looks like another Pakistan Barlow. Yeah. Yep. Cheap Pakistan Barlow. Next is this Imperial Barlow, but this one's a little unusual. It's a spear point single blade. That'll clean up real nice. Last but not least, Providence Cutco Rhode Island Hawkbill Barlow. Never seen one like that. So these are the knives I'll be cleaning up and selling. I might keep one or two for myself, but otherwise, the rest of them are going to be put for sale. The Pakistan Barlows, I would just put those on Facebook for dirt cheap because they're not worth trying to sell to my collector buddies. Anyway, guess I'll end the video right here. Thank you very much, John. Thank you very much, Dad. So, I'll end the video right here. As always, wait a minute, almost forgot. It's been a while since I've done this, almost forgot. Gotta show off the next knives for the next unboxing. So here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. Here's number 5. And here's number 6. Hope you've enjoyed the video. And as always, stay sharp.